Think gaming laptops always cost over rupees 1 lakh? Think again. It's 2026 and you have some amazing options right in front of you. Now, you might not always get the latest specs, but you can expect some decent performance. So let's take a look at the top 5 gaming laptops under rupees 85,000. Let's go. At number 5 is the HP Victus with the 13th Gen Intel Core i5 chipset and Nvidia RTX 3050 GPU. This is a solid entry into gaming if you're on a tight budget. You also get a 16GB RAM and a 512GB SSD, which is just enough to handle most games. At number 4 is the Asus TUF Gaming A15. This one comes with an AMD Ryzen 7 processor, RTX 3050 graphics and a 1TB SSD. The laptop is also known for its durable build quality, which is great if you plan to use it for a long time. And at number 3 we have the Asus Gaming V16, and this is where you start seeing a big jump in performance. It comes with a 14th Gen Intel Core 5 processor and an RTX 4050 GPU. Then there is the 144Hz display, which promises a super smooth experience. And that large 16-inch screen means that those virtual worlds appear much more immersive. And number 2 is the fan favorite laptop, the Lenovo Lock with RTX 4050 GPU. Now, this device is all about the balance. You get a strong CPU and GPU performance, which makes it great for gaming as well as editing or streaming. Thermal performance here is also quite stable, so you can game for long hours without worrying. The design is simple, but the performance is what really stands out here. Taking the top spot this time is the Acer Nitro V15, and this is easily the most powerful option in this list. It comes with a 13th Gen Intel Core i5 chipset with Nvidia's RTX 5050 GPU. Yes, you heard that right. So, you can expect the best performance in AAA titles at higher graphic settings. The laptop also comes with a 16GB RAM and a 512GB SSD. So, which one of these laptops is going to be your pick? Do let us know in the comments and keep following Digit for more such content.